All right, for today's code.org lesson, we're looking at lesson 18, the interactive card. So you're going to create a card that has some sort of action, some sort of, as you click the keyboard, click a mouse, it does something. Characters are animated. So if I click on the run for this one, this happens to be a get well soon card. And it says click here, click me to heal me. So if you notice a couple things about this, you have text, you have a background, you have a couple sprites. This one actually is rotating, probably using a random number, but we're not able to see the code here for this. But that would be my understanding. And then it says click me to heal, or click me to heal me. So if I click on it, it says get well soon, press space to see what happens. Okay, so if I click and hold on that, that's what happens. There's definitely an if there, so if the mouse is clicked or pressed down, it's going to load this new background with these new characters. Okay, so that would be one aspect of your interactive card, is that when you click the mouse, it's going to do something. For example, this one that has it switch over to this, add some new sprites on there and removes the other ones or covers them up. Okay, and then when we click on that, if we press the space bar, we get balloons that go up. So again, that's another animation and another interactiveness to this, is that when you click the space bar, you get these balloons to show up and float up to the top of the page. Okay, and that does not work when you're on this screen. So something you have to work through with this project is some sprites, some interactiveness to it, keep it as a theme, right? So this is kind of a get well soon kind of a thing. With a click of a mouse, it does this. When you press the space bar and have the mouse clicked, it does this. So this is actually, if I was able to see the code here, it would be a loop or an if inside of another if. Okay. All right, good luck with making this card, and hopefully this helps you in your path to learn more coding.